Have you ever wondered how much you truly know about bears? Let's embark on a journey into the world of bears, a world as diverse and captivating as the creatures themselves. From the icy terrains of the Arctic, the home of the mighty polar bear, to the dense forests of Asia, where the elusive sun bear resides, these magnificent creatures can be found in a variety of habitats across the globe. In terms of variety, bears come in all shapes and sizes. There are 8 species of bear in total, each unique in its own way. Some are as small as a dog, like the sun bear, while others, like the Kodiak bear, can stand up to 10 feet tall when on their hind legs. Bears are not only significant in the ecological context, but also hold a special place in various cultures and mythologies. In Native American traditions, for instance, the bear often symbolizes strength and courage. In some Asian cultures, it's considered a symbol of authority and dignity. Now let's uncover the first of our 20 astounding bear facts. Contrary to popular belief, bears are not true hibernators. While they do take long winter naps, their body temperature and metabolic rate don't drop as significantly as in true hibernation. This allows them to wake up quickly if they sense danger, a trait that sets them apart from other hibernating creatures. Our second fact takes us to the powerful nose of a bear. Did you know that a bear's sense of smell is about 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's? That's right. This exceptional olfactory ability allows them to detect food, mates, and danger from miles away, making it one of their most important survival tools. So now that you know that bears are not just your average forest dwellers, let's delve deeper into their fascinating world. Ever wondered what makes bears such formidable creatures in the wild? Well, there's more to these lumbering giants than meets the eye. Let's delve into the physical abilities of bears. One of the first things that might surprise you is their speed. Despite their hefty size, some bears can run up to 40 miles per hour. That's faster than a racehorse over short distances. Imagine a creature weighing up to half a ton, charging towards you at that speed. It's a testament to their power and agility, but their abilities don't stop on land. Bears are also excellent swimmers. They use this skill not only to cross rivers and lakes, but also to hunt for food. Some species, like the brown bear, can swim for miles and even dive underwater to catch fish. Their thick, water-resistant fur and webbed feet make them well adapted for these aquatic pursuits. And if you think that's impressive, just wait until you hear about their climbing abilities. Whether they're escaping a threat or seeking out a meal, bears can scale trees with surprising ease. Their sharp claws dig into the bark, providing a secure grip as they ascend. Even bear cubs, mere weeks old, can clamber up the tallest of trees. However, it's not just their physical prowess that sets them apart. Bears also have an excellent memory. They remember the locations of food sources from year to year, which is vital for their survival. This memory extends to recognizing other bears and even humans they've encountered before. It's a fascinating insight into their intelligence, hinting at a depth of understanding we're only beginning to explore. What's more, bears use all these abilities in conjunction to survive and thrive in their environment. They've adapted over millions of years to become the incredible creatures we see today, perfectly suited to their varied habitats. It's clear that bears are not just strong, but also incredibly agile and smart. These abilities make them one of the most fascinating creatures in the wild, demonstrating an impressive blend of strength, speed, agility, and intellect. What do you think bears eat in the wild? Let's delve into the fascinating world of bear feeding habits. One of the first things to know about bears is that they're not picky eaters. In fact, they're omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. Their diet can range from berries, roots, and nuts to fish, insects, and even mammals. This versatility in their diet means they can adapt to various environments, whether it's the icy Arctic tundra or the lush forests of North America. Now, here's an impressive fact. Bears can eat up to 90 pounds of food in a single day. Imagine that. That's like a grown man eating 400 hamburgers at once. This immense consumption is especially true during the late summer and early fall, just before they hibernate. Bears need to build up enough fat reserves to last them through their long winter sleep. Speaking of hibernation, bears have an extraordinary ability to go for months without eating or drinking. This is fact number 9. During hibernation, a bear's metabolism slows down, and they live off their fat reserves. Their bodies recycle waste products so they don't need to eat, drink, urinate, or defecate. Incredible, isn't it? Now let's address the most amusing stereotype about bears. Yes, it's true. Bears do love honey. But it's not just the honey they're after. They're also fond of the nutrient-rich bee larvae found in beehives. So it's not just a sweet tooth that drives them to brave a swarm of angry bees. To sum up, bears are incredibly adaptable eaters, capable of consuming a wide array of foods. They can gorge themselves to prepare for hibernation, survive without food or water for months, and even risk bee stings for a taste of honey and some juicy larvae. Bears, it seems, have quite the appetite, and their diet is surprisingly diverse. How much do you know about bear reproduction? Let's delve into the fascinating world of bear families. Bears have a unique reproductive system that is quite intriguing. One of the most remarkable facts is that female bears give birth while hibernating. Yes, you heard that right. During the cold winter months when food is scarce, female bears enter a state of deep sleep known as hibernation. It is during this period, usually in late January or early February, that they give birth to their cubs. Now imagine being born into a warm, dark den deep in the heart of winter. This is the reality for bear cubs. These little bundles of fur are born blind, hairless, and incredibly small, weighing less than a pound. Despite their initial vulnerability, these cubs grow rapidly, thanks to the rich, fatty milk provided by their mother. Speaking of mother bears, they are known for their dedication and fierceness when it comes to their offspring. Cubs typically stay with their mother for about 1.5 years, during which time they learn crucial survival skills and social behaviors. This time spent with their mother is vital for their survival in the wild. While the bond between a mother bear and her cubs is heartwarming, it's also a testament to the protective nature of bear mothers. A mother bear is extremely protective of her cubs and will go to great lengths to ensure their safety. If she senses danger, she will not hesitate to stand her ground, often standing on her hind legs to appear larger and more intimidating to potential threats. This instinctual behavior is a testament to the strong maternal instinct of bears. The world of bear reproduction is a fascinating blend of survival, adaptation, and familial bonds. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures, and a reminder of the intricate and delicate balance of nature. Bear families, as it turns out, are not much different from our own. How much do you know about the current state of bear populations worldwide? Let's dive into the realm of bear conservation. Today, several bear species are teetering on the brink of extinction. The International Union for Conservation of Nature classifies 6 out of the 8 bear species as vulnerable or endangered, including the giant panda and the polar bear. Habitat loss is a significant threat to these magnificent creatures. As human populations expand, forests are being cut down, roads are being built, and the bears' natural habitats are shrinking. It's like being evicted from your home with nowhere else to go. Climate change is another looming threat, especially for polar bears. The Arctic ice is their hunting ground. But as the planet warms, this ice is melting, making it harder for them to catch their seal prey. Imagine trying to hunt on a disappearing battleground. Bears are not just another animal species. They play a crucial role in forest ecosystems. They help distribute seeds through their scat, and their digging behavior aerates the soil, promoting plant growth. In essence, they are the gardeners of the forest. However, there is a glimmer of hope. Conservation efforts are helping restore bear populations. Protected areas are being established, and programs to rehabilitate and release orphan cubs are proving successful. For instance, the American black bear population has seen a significant resurgence due to these efforts. Bear tourism is another avenue that can support conservation. When done responsibly, it can provide a sustainable income source for local communities, encouraging them to protect the bears and their habitats. And you too can play a part. Some wildlife charities offer bear adoption programs. By symbolically adopting a bear, you can help fund efforts to protect these animals and their habitats. Bears are an integral part of our world, and their survival is intertwined with our own. So let's do our bit to ensure that these magnificent creatures are around for generations to come. So, how much has your knowledge about bears expanded? Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and revisit the most surprising facts we've covered about these majestic creatures. We started with bear beginnings, where we learned that bears have walked the earth for millions of years. From the towering Kodiak bear to the tiny sun bear, each species has evolved and adapted to its unique environment in remarkable ways. Then we delved into their extraordinary abilities. Bears are not only powerful swimmers and climbers, but they also have a keen sense of smell, far superior than that of any human. Their hibernation process is another marvel of nature, as they can slow down their metabolism and sleep through the harsh winter months without eating, drinking, or even relieving themselves. We also explored their diverse diet, which ranges from berries and insects to fish and other mammals. Some species, like the giant panda, have a more specialized diet, feeding almost exclusively on bamboo. This adaptability in their diet allows bears to thrive in various habitats all around the world. On the topic of bear reproduction, we learned that bears have a unique process called delayed implantation. After mating in the summer, The fertilized egg doesn't implant and start growing until the mother bear enters her den in the fall. This ensures that the cubs are born during the safety and warmth of the den in winter. Finally, we discussed the importance of bear conservation. These magnificent creatures play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. However, they face various threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and illegal hunting. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help protect bears and their habitats. Remember, every bear has a story, and by learning about them, we can help ensure their stories continue for generations to come. We hope you've enjoyed our bear trivia and learned something new today. These magnificent creatures have so much to teach us about the natural world and our place within it. If you liked our deep dive into the world of bears, don't forget to hit the like button. It tells us that you appreciate our content and encourages us to create more videos like this one. We're eager to hear your thoughts about the fascinating bear facts we've shared. Do you have any additional bear facts that we might have missed? Share them with us in the comments section. We love learning from our viewers, and your input enriches our community. If you haven't done so yet, remember to subscribe to our channel. This will ensure you don't miss out on our future videos exploring the fascinating world of wildlife. We have a lot more interesting topics in store for you. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curious.